Sometimes I gotta let this one go. Sometimes I gotta let my feelings go. And I've been tripping hard, and I've been thinking too long. And I know I've been tripping, caught in the moment, got in your feelings. Young girl, I miss it, holding a pistol in case they start tripping. Come be my dog, I got you cool if you let me whip it. I heard you doing things, I know I'm tripping. I know you asked it if I'm getting no appearance. And what the diamonds costing? See, I got you Victoria's Secret is a zine. Don't let me go hurry, I know you're lean. I'm talking that body, I know you're a freak. I know you know a thing. If we got too much on this plate, then I can't let it sink. And I've been dreaming too long. I've been on this scene with you wrong. Let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, 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 ring. Let's got something, got something, got something. No, 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 no. Just let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, 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 ring. It got something, got something, got something. No, no, no. Yeah.
Oh, you a girl.
Yo, it's Lily, so get out of here.
I've been out here feeling me on a regular, fucking with this dream, preparation. You don't like I'm on that same shit, let me elevate you. Working through that patience, termination. This is how it is, tell me now. You really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me, then you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. Would you still fuck with me if I fall? 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never change, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, man, she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them, just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man, homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm body, it's a hang on it. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. Would you still fuck with me if I fall? 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.
All right, let me be the shrimp, but play through like I am a shark. Like, just be smart about it. So I always look at a high and a low as my opportunity for my TPs, and depending on where the market is at, based off of my strategies or based off of my entry points, that's when I determine like if this is actually a legitimate smart trade or not. You know, and that's really how I like to play it smart. Now, I did not do that with US 30 at all. I just went aggressively with it, of course, but that's how I like to play it, man. Like, legitimately how I like to play it, because these moves right here, let me see. Like, if I was to realistically say this was a opportunity to buy, I would have had, first and foremost, my strategy is very simple, but this is aggressive trade. I did post this in a signal as an aggressive trade too. But the aggressive trade is I'd rather wait on it to take the high out first. And the reason why I like for market to take out highs is because it makes more sense to know that, oh, okay, the buyers are in the market now. That's perfect. But let's wait on the pullback, because that pullback, the reason why we need that pullback is because, like you said, Patrick, the market creates a fair value gap. A fair value gap is just an imbalanced move. An imbalanced move is just a trend. Every time you guys see a trend, that's all imbalance. Everywhere in here is imbalance. Now it's just up to you to figure out which imbalance is accurate, which imbalance is in. So that's why I wait for pullbacks, is because the market is imbalanced, meaning that there's orders that was left over or whatever, and it needs to go back to fulfill that. It needs to go back and say, oh, I dropped my $100 bill. Let me pick it back up. It is what, no, it already did off of 15 minutes ago. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Mic check. All right. Unfortunately, y'all can't see me. Let me see something. All right. What is going on, everybody? I am working on my camera, by the way. I don't know why I cannot see me right now. It is on, but it is not working. Kind of sucks. Let me see something. Okay, nothing is working on my thing. This is crazy. Okay. Like, what is going on? What the hell? My check. All right. Yeah, I know. I'm aware you guys can hear me and I'm extremely loud. But nobody can't see me. This is kind of crazy. I do apologize for this, but fuck it. We're still gonna make money and profits today, y'all. You guys can't see my beautiful morning face. What in the world is going on? My chat. There we go. Okay. Maybe if I do this, add in a new source, I am going to try to bring my, let's see, video capture, Sony. It ain't picking it up. Why? It ain't picking it up. Why? Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is well. Unfortunately, I don't think today y'all gonna see my face until I can figure out this technical difficulty. But it's all good. Today, man, we are going to be working on really my funded account. So you guys know I end up passing phase 1 just by trading Bitcoin and USOIL. So I end up passing phase 1 and now we're on to phase 2 on my funded account. So that is pretty good. You know, other than that, yeah. All right, let me we need to open, close, see. This music is too loud for me. So right now I got my eye open on oil. I got my eye open on oil. Only way I know that my camera will work is if I close this and then open it back up, and I'm not even gonna do all that. This thing is so outdated right now. What the hell? Deactivate. Activate. Audio dictate. Capture audio. Default. Deactivate. OBS. Let's see if this is gonna work. Nope, that ain't gonna work either. Plug it back in. There we go. Jesus Christ. All right, we are back in action. I had to fix this shit. Jesus. It's pissing me off. All right, cool. Let's get to work. Let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Today is Tuesday, and we have been doing good on our account. We first passed phase 1. We're currently on phase 2. My current trade, my current small account, $100 account is currently almost sitting at, if I'm not mistaken, $2,000. But right now I want to focus on stage 2 funded account, just so I can kind of lock in a little bit more, so we can go ahead and really show you guys how the process works as far as getting paid out and being a funded trader and all of that cool stuff. So I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. Let's go ahead and catch some pips. Currently looking at a Bitcoin trade right now, possibly sales, but the way it's looking right now, I don't know if that's going to happen. We might be reversing. We might hit a reversal on me, honestly, just because of this move right here. That's a possibility that move might happen. I have to double check and see, but we shall see. We shall see. I'll make sure everybody like this video, guys. I need everybody here to go ahead and like the video. Need everybody here to go ahead and like the video. How far for the rain left do you look? I look, I mainly it just depends. It depends. I mean, I'm always usually looking on the far scale, but I'm on a higher time frame doing that though. So right now I'm actually seeing US 30 moving. Let me close these. Damn. I was not expecting US 30 to move like this right now. Double check to see if we got any crazy news besides the one we already know. That's going to be happening 20. Okay, so we got CB consumers news coming in 20 minutes, guys. So I don't know if you guys are aware of that or you plan on trading this, but yeah, so yeah, just be ready for that one. Okay, let's see. I gotta highlight my chart. All right, so oil is dropping. I'm like kind of nervous with this one, man. It's like iffy to me. Then we got the news coming in 20 minutes. I don't know if we're gonna actually tap up or not. That's kind of sketchy. All right, let's see. Yeah, my bad. Give me like 2 seconds. All right, cool. Okay, so we're currently waiting on news. I'm actually going to put this up here so y'all know what we're waiting for.
queen and a baby girl. It was all a dream, now it seems like I had a world. I'm not really seen.
Today is pretty quiet. And then my phone is going off right now. For what reason? All right, so the reason why I'm like iffy about this oil trade is simply because we already tapping into a very aggressive supply level and mainly demand. Let me see. Yeah, and I need to see if we're going to break out of this to decide to continue to head down more, because if you guys look left, this level has been respected, not as much, but it's been respected at least 1, 2, and 3 times. So I'm kind of iffy on looking at this as a potential overall sell. But if it drops, it drops. You know, I missed it. But at the end of the day, my initial thought is I actually want to see it do something like this, and then I'm gonna be looking for buy setups. That's kind of what I'm looking for. It's kind of just like this play right here. It's literally like this play right here, right? We were going down, we had hit our zone level, and then now we started slowly heading up, and then we got a lot of these minor pullbacks, and we start pushing. So that's kind of like literally what I'm looking for here. But seeing how aggressive this is and seeing that we also got news, it's kind of iffy on me if I really want to tap in on this or not. Bitcoin. So I had got in a oh damn, it's gonna ask me to reset my thing. So I had got in a sell on Bitcoin on my account, but then I exited out of the trade. But I'm gonna possibly re-enter in this position and see where we're at with this one. But yeah, we're gonna see what's up, guys. We're gonna see what's up in a bit. But yeah, I'm definitely looking at this sell. So I'm looking on the sell for Bitcoin. We also got the news, so be careful. Some tell me, bro, it's just a nice sell. I'm gonna sell it though, guys. I'm gonna sell it with a stop loss. And then also we have oil, which is actually doing pretty good right now, surprisingly. And then US 30. Yep, exactly what I like to see. This is exactly what I want to see. I want to see US 30 tap down here, and then I'm gonna be looking for some moves, some possible buys for US 30. So like this is my setup that I would like to see play out for US 30, just because this area right here needs to get mitigated. This is like a level of essentially resistance, if you guys even want to look at it. But we do have this wick that you guys got to pay close attention to on the 4-hour scale, which is this move right here. And I'm being cautious about that. So therefore, I'm interested in looking for this buy setup for this move specifically right here. If you guys look, there's a watermark right there that says US 30. This is US 3015. So there's like this little white watermark right there. You'll be able to see it every time I switch over. We got 10 more minutes left. 10 more minutes left for news. Okay, so once again, for those that don't know, I am waiting on news to hit before I actually really decide to get in something, unless it's like a clean setup. So I'm really like analyzing these moves real closely before I actually get in a trade before news, which is in like 9 more minutes. So I'm playing this one really safe, right? The key here is to really analyze the market based off what it is trying to do, and hopefully catch a move once news hit. Otherwise, I can wait after the news and then maybe catch a trade. But if honestly, guys, today is going to be pretty simple, because if I see it, I see it. If I don't, then it is what it is. You know, like on my previous account, we are now at, oh shoot, y'all been seeing my trading view account the whole time. Let me see. Hold on. Let me go to like trade locker. Can y'all see that? No. Trade locker. Okay, so either way it goes, we're currently on stage 2 right now with the funded account, and currently working my way on passing this one and then working on getting funded next. Other than that, I am also working on my personal account still, where we're damn near at $2,000 right now. But I don't think I'm gonna trade my personal account today just because of the news. Kind of want to play this one safe, because I feel like every time I get to that $1,000 or $2,000, I start to go a little crazy, and I'm like, nah, let's play this one safe, because I'm doing this on my live streams, and I really want you guys to see closely what Solo is doing. So I'm not gonna really take any trades on my actual personal account today. I'm gonna just mainly do my funded account, or my challenge account today with Boer. And other than that, that's kind of how we're tapping in. So going back into the markets, like I said earlier, I'm looking, I can see this buy setup happen with US 30, just because we gotta mitigate these wicks right over here. There's a lot of unfulfilled orders that needs to get mitigated, you know. So I'm very cautious of that setup. Hopefully we can see that. Sorry. So other than that, I see oil playing out very well. we're doing what we're doing. Actually, I'm kind of interested in this same setup that you guys see right here. I am honestly trying to look for that same setup. Where did you go? Right here, like all of these moves right here. So I think I'm gonna be more interested in oil. Oil looks like it's gonna give me, hopefully I get more of a clean setup with oil. But that's gonna be a little bit, because I really want to see it like this and then break out and then go up from there. Bitcoin is still Bitcoining. I would love to see a sell with Bitcoin, but the way it's playing is kind of like fumbling right now. I don't know. Yo, sorry guys. Solo, us not trades. Yes, sir. Guys, I have posted the link for those that's coming from my actual Discord. Make sure you guys like the video. I need you guys to go ahead and like this video. Everybody that just came in from my Discord, make sure you guys like the video. We got news in 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, y'all. 2 more minutes. Happy Chinese New Year's. That's what's up. I didn't know it was that about that time over there. Man, I was hoping to get this sell. I did sold Bitcoin, but I got out of it because I didn't like how I was positioning it. It set me up for something else. And then also we got this beautiful setup right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's like I gotta buy this. Where we at in the 2 minute? Oh, we still got so much to fulfill. 2 minute might hit us with something like that, and then boom. Just my setup right here. This is my setup right here. All right, guys, it is about that time for the news. Let's see. Actual just closed at 104. The forecast was at 105. So let's see what happens now. Bitcoin is going Bitcoin. I don't even think I'm interested in this. I don't even think I'm interested in this sell anymore. If anything, I'll be more interested in this buy. So guys, I think we're going to just be tapping into the buy for Bitcoin. I do see this leading diagonal pattern happening right now. Nothing too crazy, but it is a nice little setup. We have some levels up here as well as some levels up here. A lot of this is around my TP marks on my Fibonacci, so that is good to know. I think we're going to tap in a buy for this one once this 2-minute candle closes. Let's see if it closes strong. This is a beautiful whack off play right here. I see we got 1, 2, and 3. Yes. This is a beautiful clean setup. Definitely going to tap into a buy for this one. I wish you guys can see my trade locker. I don't know why it's not showing that. Let's see. It's like nothing's not trying to work on here today. I'm having all types of malfunctions. These spreads is crazy on Bitcoin right now just because of the news and because it's crypto. All right, guys. We're in. Let me show. Fuck, I can't even show you guys this because it's like tweaking out right now. We're in. I might have over leveraged it a little bit or over risked it a little bit on my personal account. I mean, on my funded account. So we're going to let that ride. I'm not going to do anything. We're going to let that one ride. Yes. I am back. I'm a little anxious with Bitcoin, man. Whew. Let me draw out this out. We got TP mark here. We're gonna go ahead and put an alert here so I can get alerted when that happens. Let's say modifying the app too. Let's just have Bitcoin do its thing. I don't even want to look at my numbers right now. I just know. What I know is what I know. I do need to put my stop loss though. Like, that's the thing. Damn. Okay, we're only looking at $1,000 stop loss. Okay, cool. I think we got in a decent entry for Bitcoin if it's going to go in our favor.
be on the go. Figured I just put it in a song while I'm on the road. Back in school, see, I was never smart, never on the road. I stayed in my
Oh, there goes oil. I mean 30. Damn, you didn't want to pull back further for me?
Look at all we been through. Now I gotta see it through. Hop off the bus, now I'm in it. Say my goodbyes, I'll be gone till I'm finished. I could do a mile in a minute. Watch me do a mile in a minute.
Come on, Bitcoin. I mean, come on, 30. I wanted you to drop more. Now this is not even a good position for me. The position sucks on this.
Got everything I wanted like I stole some. Really, I just need my family in a cold one. Toast up to the cold nights and the broke ones. Finally up on top, so the joke's up. And I know I went missing, I've been living it up. And it is what it is, how I'm giving it up. Have you ever had a feeling more than feeling the love? Have you ever had a feeling and that feeling's enough? I got what I want, I got what I need, and the money keeps coming, it must be a treat, and I get what I need, I'm off with a breeze. I could never blame you for not growing with me.
Fucking A. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't disappoint me like that. Don't do me like that. Don't disappoint me like that. The zone that I have is actually from a 4-hour time frame for US 30. Let's see some up moves, man. Let's see some up moves. These news ain't really did too much what I thought it would have done. My win rate at the moment, it's a great question. I haven't been like, I mean, we can just go into my stats. I can maybe just show you that right now. I haven't been posting like my stats and stuff on here. It just gets too tedious for me, to be honest with you. Like me posting this, you know, so. Can I trade Bitcoin swing on Funder Pro? I'm not sure. I do know you could do it with Boer though. That's what I'm doing it with. I can show you though. I'll show you my stats. Like I said, let me show you that real quick. All right. Hold on, y'all. Pull up. Okay, there you guys go. All right, so with my personal account, we're sitting at like 18, almost getting into 2,000. We've just been battling back and forth. You can't really see all the trades, but we so far really had 2 major L's. A lot of these trades I've been holding like overnight, swinging them a little bit. So that's kind of what that is. And then with this one, we kind of just took 2 L's right off the rip with crypto. So win rate kind of shitty there. Also on the stage 1 account, I guess we can look at our overall win rate. 76% win rate. Our profit factor is sitting at 2.19. That is our average. So I guess, you know, that's kind of really what we can go off of. And then coming into my actual strategies. So far I have a 94%, technically 94% win rate on my 3-man standing strategy, which is by far one of my best strategies that I've been doing since who knows when. And then also I got this live stream strategy. I guess these are like more trades I take when I'm live and kind of just do different rules. But right now we're sitting at, that's supposed to be 50%. I don't know why I said 100%. Let me see. Best day. Yeah, that's so technically that's at 50%. Just random trading is at 50%, and then I have this solo East strategy that's also at 50%. But the reason why, I see. I'm my bad. I'm really like off today. The reason why I say 100% is because it's showing my best. It's showing my best assets to trade off of this strategy, which is saying that USOIL is one of my best assets to trade off this strategy. So yeah, technically US30, damn, US30 is like the top notch, but technically my overall win rate is 76.47%. It looks like my 3-man standing has a 94% overall win rate. Inside of this strategy, it looks like the best pair to trade is US30, and it looks like I need to be trading this on a Monday. For my live stream strategy, it's telling me USOIL is, and it's telling me my best day is Thursday. Just random trading is nothing. This number needs to be as low as possible, and it kind of sucks that it's at 50% right now, but it needs to be as low as possible. And right now this is sitting at a 50%, so that's kind of bad, meaning that these are trades that I take that I'm not supposed to be taking at all because I didn't follow any of my rules. So that is that. And I need to make sure that needs to be fixed. Solo East strategy. I have to check my description to see what the hell is a Solo East strategy. Oh, there we go. The Solo E wave theory. This is for crypto. So crypto apparently is sitting at 57% overall win rate. Damn. And then now I got to add these trades in here because these were live. This is kind of like hot off a live trade. So let me add these in as my strategies. All right, cool. So I got some exciting news to share with you guys. I have made an announcement on my Instagram, and also I want to make an announcement here. So I am bringing back my mentorship, but I am only exclusively doing it through Boer. Shout out to Boer for giving me this opportunity. What it is basically, if you guys want to be in tune with the Boer community and the solo community and get like mentorships, we're gonna also go live like one time. So kind of like what we're doing here, but more inclusive, more into like the strategies and how to implement the strategy, how I'm implementing the strategies. I'm gonna be doing that through the community, with Boer and solo. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys go ahead and tap into tradewithsolo.com. It will literally bring you to this page. You enter in your information here. I don't even know who information this is. That's weird. But you enter your information here, and then when you do that, it will bring you to another page, and it will look like this. And basically the steps is pretty simple. This is just past results that we did in my past mentorships that a lot of you guys are familiar with. This is my certificate for phase 1 that I passed. There's a couple other traders that passed. How it works is very simple. You basically purchase any account. This is a one-time fee. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription. You don't have to pay $500 or $1,000 or $1,500, what you was charging for a mentorship. You can purchase any challenge through Boer using my discount code, which gives you an additional 50% off if you guys decide to do that. This is a limited time thing though. After that, you submit your proof in the Boer funded Discord community, and then once approved, you'll be added into our actual channel. And then from there, that's when we're going to start doing everything and all of that fun stuff. So that being said, I do plan on starting this. That we're getting everybody enrolled now, but the first initial videos and signals and all that stuff won't be going until February. So if you guys are interested, tradewithsolo.com. I'll put that link down there below. You guys can go ahead and sign up if you want to tune into that. But yeah, we're currently negative $800. Okay, not bad. Come on, Bitcoin. This mentorship is just for everything right now. Like, we don't have a deadline for this as far as a due date when it will end. This is a thing that we're just going to be doing every single month for now. I think USOIL is triggered. Not yet. So I got my moving a lot. See, this is a strategy that I can't let you guys know too much about, because I got to keep some of this stuff for my peoples that is going to tap into this new mentorship. But I will tell you guys, the entry is not yet, but it's looking nice and it's getting set up to happen. Just waiting on a couple things to happen that I can see, and then hopefully we get in. This triggered though. This triggered for sure. I'm just waiting on it to move. This Bitcoin trade triggered though. That's that godly. US 30 did not trigger. I wanted a better entry, which was down. Excuse me, which was down here. So this risk, this kind of is a horrible risk factor for me. Or we only Bitcoining right now. What? I can't even spell specific. Come on, Bitcoin. Why are we dropping still? Looks really minor. Give me something. Okay, oil. Here we go. Giving me something nice so far. It's just oil. I can see this setup like this. Just don't know, man. So clean, so easy to read that one. Kind of scares me a little bit. Once again, yes, T in motion. You want the membership? How it works once again is if you guys are looking to get the mentorship, want to learn more about my strategies, want to learn how I am working. Well, technically I can't say it yet, but I'm speaking in existence. Get payouts, get funded, become a funded trader, know how to grow an account, just know how to trade in general. That is exactly what I'm showing you guys on my live streams. As you clearly see now, we're currently working on these accounts. We're currently working on a small account from $100. We started with $100 on the 6th of this month, and we're currently at 17. Let's be a little realistic. Currently at 17.91 and 65 cents on this account. And then also on my funded account, like I said, guys, we are phase 2 right now. We passed phase 1. All of this was recorded live stream, so I'm showing you guys this authentically. But also there was a couple trades that I took off screen, and I also made sure I posted on either my Discord, also posted or in either my Instagram. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will get to see a lot of these different things. And then once again, this is my new mentorship that I'm doing exclusively through Boer funded server, right? Discord channel. So you guys have to go to tradewithsolo.com, and it's very simple. The deal is you just purchase any challenge from a 5K to a 200K challenge, and you can use my code solo45 to get 50% off for now. Otherwise it's going to drop back down to 45%. And then from there you submit your ticket over to the Discord Boer's Discord ticket system, and then once approved, you're all set. And then we're going to go ahead and start doing like our Zoom calls every month, and you guys will be in tune with that. And then you also get like a little of some stuff that I did when I worked with other of our students right here. Pretty much helped my boy V, basically made over 2,500 in just a couple days and passed phase 1 challenge, just using one of my strategies and also one of my bots that we're going to implement a bot inside of this Discord too as well. And then also one of my other boys, USOIL, helped them. This is me, got funded. Well, obviously Boer, and this is like I got, this is a lot, right? So yeah, that's that. But check that out when you guys can. And like I said, the link is down below to get in tune with that. So the cool thing about phase 2 on Boer is I only have to worry about getting a 6%, literally a 6% profit, and I am all set. So in the we open up We open a prop firm account and then we join the mentorship sessions through Boer's Discord. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Awesome. I think that's what you want. Yeah, for sure. For sure. And like I said, we're going to start this next week. Well, technically next week is February, but yeah, we're going to start like our very first class once we start getting a lot of people enrolled, which is going to be in February for sure. We just haven't set a date yet. We moving. Oh shit, I thought I was in profit. I'm not even in profit yet. Oh man. But we're moving though, so that's all I care for. I love to see blues. All right, oil dropped again. Like I mentioned, guys, it's all about your entries, man. We got to get the right entry for oil if it's going to give us this buy, man. I would love to catch it at a lower position, but it's all about your entries. Are you also doing the weekly mentorship classes? Yeah. So that we're rebranding a lot of different things this year. It's so much happening with that right now that we're not entirely sure how we're going to do it. But I do know that right now it is the thing with Boer. That's kind of the exclusivity thing that is being offered at this moment. Later down the road, we're going to be really focusing on this tradewithsolo.com mentorship overall, because we're going to be taking these live streams into more indirect streams with our actual mentees, you can say, and work specifically with DAW. So that's the overall goal. But we're just slowly working our way to certain things. Like I said, guys, I want to show you guys that it's real to do this, as I'm trying to show myself. My goal here is to take $100 to $100,000 and taking that, if I was about to say it, but taking it out. When we get it to there, I'm going to show you guys. Really, you've seen it now, but I want to re-elaborate on all of the risk, on all of the strategies, on everything about how and why I did what I did, and as well as my funded account. I'm gonna be working on getting crazy payouts, just scaling my account when that time comes, and all of that stuff. And I'm gonna just show you guys the same thing, strategies, the risk factors, and all of that cool stuff. Bitcoin is going, we got a long way to go though. We got a long way to go for TP1, but I feel I do feel good about this Bitcoin trade. So you used to join a monthly class and they were super helpful. I'm just coming back to trading after about a year, so that should be cool. Nice. Well, welcome back. Talk about that 40K payout last year. Yeah, that was crazy. Nah, T, that wasn't even last year. That was like 2 years. Yeah, you're right. It was about a year ago. We took a $4,000 account to $40,000, man. That was like, yeah, that was 2 years ago. That was like the biggest, my biggest accomplishment that I do brag about, because I need to brag about it, because it was a big accomplishment for me, you know. And I did it live, man. And I ain't even gonna lie, that's what made me stop doing live streams for a whole year, guys, because it was a big mental thing. Like I had a lot of people telling me, oh, buy this, sell this, why you doing that, you should do that, da 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 da. And I'm just like, bro, it gets to you sometimes, man. And it got to me, so I needed to take a whole year off of just trading. Literally, I just needed to take a whole year off of just like live streaming and trading. And you know, from there we back. Now my mental is way better, and now I know how to handle myself in these live streams, what to like fucking not worry about, you know. It's my first time going live. Never went live in my life before, especially trading, you know. Maybe other things, but not trading. So the mindset was there, it just wasn't fully locked in how it is now. Like my mindset is so crazy now. I don't even go live every day, because that was one thing I was doing. I was overburning myself going live like damn near every day, and I was trying to force myself into trades that I shouldn't even have been doing. But a lot of the trades did go in my favor, no lie. But it just took a toll. Over long term, it took a toll, and I was like, I can't do this, guys. For one, I don't even want to be a trader full time where I'm like trading all the time. Like, give me one setup a week, and it can be a year, it can be a month's payout. I'm fine with that. I am fine with that. You know what I'm saying? You a friend of T, excited to listen in. That is what's up. That is what's up. Oh yeah, that's why I'm here. I need payouts like 40K in the mindset. Yo, shout out to T, man. Shout out to T. We got some dope things happening tomorrow. We're going to be doing this new series called Trader Dummy. I'm going to just basically take a new trader or an unexperienced trader and get them to get their mindset right, get their account right. And I'm going to be trading their account. And you guys are going to be seeing me doing this live too. So, you know, a lot of cool, fun things. These are a lot of things that I want to see if I can do for myself. T Emotion, she decided to do it. Shout out to UT for being the first victim. I can say we're actually doing her funded account, so we're gonna do her challenge account with Boer, so that's cool. And then let's see how this go. Next person, you know, maybe we could do personal account, maybe we could do a funded account, whatever you guys want, we're gonna do it. I know a lot of you guys always been asking me, oh, can you trade my account, can you trade my account? I am now offering that, but in the sense of if you're willing to come on live stream and let me teach you what I'm doing and then show you what I'm doing. But you got to either be a new trader or unexperienced trader. You can't just be I guess you can't really be anything else, because I'm trying to do this for educational purposes only. I'm not trying to do this just to fucking help you make money and not learn what you're trying to do, right? I'm not here to, that's not the end goal. The end goal is for me to teach this person, teach this trader how to trade so they can go out and make their own profits. And at the end of the day, they can just thank me and say, yeah, Solo helped me. Cool. All right. I'm glad I did my part, and that's it. Oh, I want to do it. Maybe, yeah, maybe we can have you do the next one, you know? But that's exactly what I'm doing though, guys. So this is basically me saying, yes, I am now doing account management, but only for educational reasons only. To only traders that wants to actually get funded and learn how to get funded and all that. We're up. Let's go, baby. I want to bring my stop loss down a little bit. I mean, my TP. I choose my stop losses based off of previous structure. So like if I see it's based off previous structure, it's kind of hard for me to actually explain it now because of the simple fact this ain't really nothing yet, but I can do Bitcoin. Usually it's based off of just previous structure. You know, if I see, what does that sound? If I see this happen where we're getting a lot of structure in the same area, I usually like to put my stop loss below that, especially if market already tapped in there. So yeah. Again, I'm a friend of Tim, a new trader that's also willing to come on a live and trade and learn. Hopefully talk more soon, brother. For sure. Let's see how this goes, guys. If you really like it, sounds like you guys are liking what we're doing here. That's basically my mission statement, I guess. Damn, I guess that's just really what it is. That's my mission statement on why I created this series. Trade a dummy. Actually, shout out to T Emotion. She's the one that came up with the concept. So let's really thank her for that. I'm just bringing it to my channel because, you know, obviously I know I have a couple traders that actually needs this. So I'm willing to do it. We'll see how this series go. If this is a good series, maybe T Emotion can start it on her YouTube channel when she becomes when she feels confident enough to teach others how to trade and trade their account, you know? I feel like we are going to get a pullback. It has to happen. We got to get a pullback. So ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da. Which had makes me you know what's funny, T Emotion, that you're asking that? It's simple. If you look right here, US 30, US oil, and Bitcoin, and the Nasdaq, that's literally the order that's literally the order of what's making me like the most off the assets. It's really US 30, and then it's US oil, and Bitcoin is slowly working its way up. So yep. Yeah. Guys, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then secondly, also make sure you guys follow me on the Real Solo E Instagram. This is kind of where I do a lot of my analysis. I try to really post it on my stories a lot. And then also, if you guys want to follow my Discord, believe that's in the link down below. If it's not, don't worry about it. Just make sure you tap in with the trade with Solo. And that's kind of where we're going to be doing more exclusive, like I said, exclusive content. And that's kind of really where we are. You know, that's kind of really where we are. I'm gonna be going live tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing a trade a dummy with T-Motion. It's kind of like I said, I'm taking somebody else's account and I'm scaling their account and I'm working on their account and I'm managing their account, basically, you know, in a sense, educational purposes only, right? That's the mission statement here. Doing this because I want to teach somebody else of how to be a profitable trader, what it looks like to be a skilled trader, and how you have to overcome these obstacles and how you have to handle yourself in and out of trades and such and such. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing with T-Motion with her account, funded account she has. She wants to do a funded account. And I said, if this goes well, I would be willing to do this again with another trader. But this trader has to either be inexperienced or it has to be a student, a previous student of mine. That's kind of how I really want to do it. I don't want to work with somebody outside because I'm not here to fucking trade your account and just make you money without you trying to learn anything. So yes, if you are a previous student of any of my products that we had done many years previously, I would be, you know, looking for somebody like that. But you also have to be a inexperienced trader willing to learn, right? So that's pretty much really what it is, guys. I actually got to get off because I got some meetings to attend today. But other than that, man, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. I'm about to go ahead and play my favorite song that a lot of y'all like, We're At The Wave. Hopefully music video comes out soon. I've been saying this for years, but hopefully music video comes out soon. Guys, come into my live streams tomorrow. We're going to tap in and then go from there. Your boy Solo, I'm out. Peace.
Keep a dually on me, yeah, it's gon' be big. And I keep running on me, that bitch sing. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I keep it loaded. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, Shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today, yeah. If you won't ride today, I'ma just ride the way, yeah. Shawty just ride the way, shawty just ride the way. You coming with me cause you might not survive in it, I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two, and that bitch by, yeah. I got a lie, homie, it's about 5, homie. I'ma survive, homie. Flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I keep me a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling, what can you decide though? I can keep off on the ops though. I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby. Rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. Hey, I keep the real shit, I'm in the real shit. The just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a baby on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty just ride the way, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you won't ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty just ride the way, shawty just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride, I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave, I'm in a hot spot. FBO wet, diamonds, juices dancing. I keep it floating, I got the whole beam. Something about it just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shawty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. And Shawty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shawty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do.